Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be learning how to replace basic phrases with some advanced phrases. Let's get started. Instead of saying nice to meet you, you can also replace it with it's a pleasure to meet you. It is nice to bump into you. I don't like it. I am not fond of it. I am not crazy about it. Replace saying you are very beautiful with you are so charming. You look gorgeous. Replace a simple no with certainly not. Not right now. If you don't like something, then don't say I don't like it. Replace it with I am not really interested. You can also say I am not fond of it or it is not for me. Replace a lot of with plenty of, ample. Instead of saying me too, we can also say so do I. Instead of referring something as important, you can also say it is crucial, it is significant, or it is essential. Replace a basic I am sorry with I apologize or pardon me. And just like that, you can also replace a simple thank you with I appreciate it. It means the world to me. Or I can't thank you enough. If you like our video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.